Catch 'em all.
ZJ Liquid, DJ, ZJ, producer, artist, you know what I mean? World renowned DJ. I know I've been working on Zip FM for the last 18 years. So I'm here today to tell you how me decide or discover a hit song, or how me just know say, yo, this song is a hit song. Alright? So stay tuned and just listen how me just tell my story and how, you know what I mean, how me feel and how me decide, how the feeling what a song give me, and I just know say, yo, this song gonna be big. Sometimes I just listen to the radio and hear a song. Depends the station. Most of the time Zip. Sometimes other station, because you know, I listen to other station, I listen to my competition, and I listen to what's happening around me. So I know what's happening. And sometimes I just hear a song, maybe another ZJ. Most of the time, I am always the ZJ after Johnny Cole at times, so most of the time I'm listening to hear what he's playing, what's up. And sometimes I just hear a song and I say, yo, Johnny Cole, that song, something about it. It give me a vibe, you know? When I hear it, just out of all of the songs that you play are the whole juggling. Yo, something about that song there, something about that particular rhythm. So basically we're going to talk about, you know what I mean? Sometimes when I just a rhythm, I just want to say, yo, the rhythm is a hit rhythm. And a song is a hit song. So basically that we're going to talk about too. Because not only hit song, but you know, we're there Jamaica, we're juggling. And I'm a Jamaican DJ. We travel the world and play dancehall and play for parties all around the world. Not only dancehall, but all genres. So not only dancehall, but just song pan a whole, we just get the vibe and you just know say, yo, this song gonna be big. Or this rhythm gonna be big. Sometimes I listen to other DJs or the TV, you know, BT or whatever. Or sometimes I run through my Tidal, my Apple Music, because you know I subscribe to those things so I can get all releases. Dancehall, hip hop, alternative, R&B, whatever releases were fresh, I get it and I listen it. Whatever album released this week, last week, what I never catch, whatever album I release tomorrow, I listen to it. I make sure say, yo, let me hear what go on. Sometimes listen to an album, you find a particular song, a particular hit. You know? And sometimes the artist a push whatever single him feel like a the hit song. And sometimes as a DJ you listen to the album and you're like, yo, these two songs are the songs. Sometimes me as a youth where just do one thing. You know, maybe they might push a particular song, me listen to the album, I'm like, yo, these are the songs. I'm gonna start play them. So till, you know, the momentum shift, other DJs start play them, other, you know, I start highlight it, I start talk about it like, yo, check out this song off the album or this song called whatever. You know, give it a ears. And you know, I start bring the attention to a particular song. So sometimes listen to albums, give me an extra edge, you know, give me more songs to play, you know, kind of make me set more exclusive, you know, kind of sound different, because you know some DJs only run with just a single, them say them promoting or the single that's been emailed out or whatever, you know, so them not really check the albums, cause honestly enough DJs nowadays don't really buy music. I don't even subscribe to the streaming platforms to even get a years of everything that's happening. You know, them rely upon YouTube or, you know, rely upon bootleg vibes. But yeah, bootleg vibes work too. But you have to know what I want with everything for them on top of your game to pick the real hit song them where I go across, you know, I go across different markets. When you're sure, you know, you push a particular song, and you know, those are just some of the ways how me pray. Listen to album, listening for extra songs that them, you know, the artist may even think is a single, and told me start play it sometime. I say, yo, look like I forgot to release this song as a single, you know, cause it have a vibe and it pick up attraction. And you know, that's how you sometimes you create a hit song as a DJ. You know, that's what I'm trying to really say at this point. Okay, other ways how me decide a hit song. Sometimes I just get a song, and I just dey home, and I just have it a play. And some songs, after 3 or 4 times, you're tired of the song. You not even want to hear it again. You're like, yo, no, so the song you're annoying me. Maybe the rhythm, maybe the artist's voice, maybe the delivery, maybe the overall song itself. After listening, after a period of time, you're like, yo, I'm tired of the song. And sometimes, you listen to a song, and the more you listen it, and the more you love it. Sometimes a hit song don't grab people's attention immediately, you know. But you as a good DJ can pick out a hit song, you know, and bring it to the people them. Because sometimes people say, yo, whenever I used to like that song, but it grew on me. Yeah, because sometimes you as a DJ you know say, yo, this is a real hit song, you know. I'm not stop play it, you know. I go play it till it, you know, reach that point. And you know, because sometimes some songs so different, so unique, DJs and people are afraid of it. It's so different. You're like, yo, at the first I hear a song like this, a rhythm, a style, you know, a voice. You know, sometimes it's a brand new artist with a unique voice. You know, so unique. It's like the song is automatically a hit because of even how the artist sound. You know, because music I've never heard an artist sounding like that. You know, it's so refreshing. Make a song hit. Yeah, you know, for me, those are some of the things that, you know, you decide on a hit song and why a song hit, and you know, you just know from the start. Again, for me, alright, hit song. The way I do it sometimes I just play a song around people. Sometimes you play songs around people and see how them react, how them take it, how them consume that song. For me. So, sometimes when me love a song, I don't make me alone love a song, or I don't just keep a song to myself and say, alright, me love that song, or me think that song is really good enough. Hoping that, alright, people go love it like me too, because everybody different. People different. You know, people love different things. What me love, maybe not what you love. You know, the style that you love, the flavor, the vibe, the rhythm, may not what you love. The message what you love, me may not love them vibes. So, that's how music go. So that are the reason why sometimes you play songs around people and see how them consume it, how them react to it, how them, if them feel it like you and pick out the same message, love the song for the same reasons. Yeah, you know, we help you. You can know say, yo, you're on the right path, you know. It's, the way you feel about that song is really true. You understand me I deal with same way. And here one another way how me find out say you a song it. You know? You just play the song at home. Cause sometimes I play a song in my home and my woman is like, yo, I hate that song there. That song there, who sing that, man? What kind of song that? And I'm like, yeah, but you know, I listen to everything because whatever, however music come to me, I listen to it. Because you discover song in many different ways. You can discover a hit song in many different ways. So I listen to song. You know, differentiate or pick how I listen or who for song I listen or which email I listen. You know, I just listen to music. Pan a whole, because I love music. Sometimes I have a song and I play it in my home. You know, my girl will, you know, she can't afford it like that. But anytime she say she like a song or this song that it, majority of the time it. For example, songs like Holiday, you know, is a song where she hear, first time she heard, she were like, yo, I heard that song by Ding Dong, you know, no say it bad. You know, you should really get a song that I listen to it and be like, yo, the song by Ding Dong bad. You know, that's before the song even start play, when Ding Dong I use it to commercial for Red Stripe and them thing then. We get commercial for Red Stripe and them thing then. We get extra years and it connect. And see that one of the biggest song for Ding Dong and one of the biggest song around the world, party vibes, dancing song. So as me say, you have to play it song on people. You alone can't decide that it's song. A whole heap of ways how me decide it's song. You have to just go and watch the video to the end and you know, hear some of the ways how me decide that it's song. There's no one way to it. No fool. So now I'm gonna talk about what's the difference between a hit song and a song with a buzz. Or a song with a hype. Because sometimes a song have a hype because of a particular line. Sometimes a song have a hype because it's talking about something that's happening like right now. Like today to yesterday or this week you know, for these 2 weeks and catch the buzz there. You know what I mean? So that's a song with a hype. Maybe a song of hype because the artist do something and him release a single at the time, and whatever him do to catch the attention of the public, the people, the fans. The release that him release, his latest release or recent release, catch that traction also because people, you know, want to know what's happening with the artist or what's happening. So they must search everything with him. So anything when you are fresh, they got up on the front page, they got it up front, so it will get the traction there. You feel me? You have song where just catch buzz, man. And then you have song, as I said before, you never get tired of it. The more you hear it, the more you love it. Every time you hear it, you love it. You feel me? You have song where people push on your hype. After a while, you're like tired of this song. After a while, you just can't, you can't consume no more. So, that's the difference with a hit song and a song with a hype or a song with a buzz. A hit song never get old. You never get enough of it. Okay, I'm going to talk about what makes a hit song for me. What makes a hit song for me is the right ingredients of the right rhythm, the right sound, the right delivery of the vocals, the lyrics, the topic, you know, the whole chemistry between the producer and the artist, you know, and that whole combination of the rhythm and the artist becoming one to just give you one complete vibe. You understand? A hit song, you know, short or nothing, you just automatically just love it because you just get that feeling, it have that sound. You know, it has says certain things that you like, you know. And you know, for me, sometimes some people say, yo, me I make a hit song. You know, make a hit song, man. You just make a song and it hit because it has the combination and ingredients of the right things what people really love in our song, and I will just make it their favorite song. You know, it make them feel good when them sad it down. Them can relate to it. It connect with them. You know, it make them feel like a hit. The song was made for them. You know, it make it feel like the song I say what them would like to really say out personally or out loud, and them can say it. You know, the song is like a voice. It's like their voice. You know, the song is like representing everything what them would like. You know, so a hit song is that song where just fit the mood, fit the place, fit the time, gear the vibe. You know, make you feel good, and just a song that you can't get tired of. Definitely. And that's how me just judge a hit song. It have the feel good vibes. It well produced. You know, it have the elements, it have that unexpected element, something like you never heard before, a style you never heard before, a rhythm where you never heard before, a flow, maybe a particular topic or content that maybe you heard it before but it has never been delivered in the way how you're hearing it in this particular song or from this particular artist. The artist may have a particular voice where just work with what he's saying, the rhythm, everything. So I just, you know what I mean, as a hit song just get the vibes, man. You just get the vibes. Sometimes as a real DJ, you know, a real selector, a real producer, you can just tell. You know, when you hear it, you just know. Just, you know. So I just saw me judge a hit song. Not more than that, you know. So keep on making hit songs or make people feel good, you know, while change them life, and songs where people can just hold on forever. Alright, DJ Liquid, subscribe to my channel, like and comment if you like the video, and if there's other things you would like to know or topics you would like me to discuss, you can put it in the comments. For real, Liquid, DJ Liquid.